Welcome back, everybody. Okay, I know, it's not Cinco de Mayo, but I'm telling you, today may be the next best thing. Ladies and gentlemen, it's National Tequila Day. Now listen, we can't have guests in the studio just yet. That is why we invited one of our favorites, Meredith Barry, to join us via FaceTime so she could show us how to make a few tequila-filled drinks at home. Meredith, how have you been? It's great to see you.
Hey, what's going on? It's good to see you too. You're back in the office. You guys are, doing the news, and I'm doing good. I'm back in the bar trying to, get through these COVID times. I've got my mask.
Good.
I'm ready.
You're following the rules. You're a rule follower. The only thing we're missing here in the studio is you and something ice cold with tequila in it. So what are you going to show us that we could maybe whip up at home?
Well, I think, tequila is so cool. It's, there's so many fun drinks that you can make with it. You have Blanco tequila, you have Reposado, and you have Añejo. And everybody's like, what tequila is right for me? Okay, so if you like herbal, you like spicy, you like fresh and fruity, go Blanco, right? You like something with a little more vanilla notes to it, but just something right in the middle, Reposado. And if you like bourbon, you're gonna go Añejo because it's been sitting in that barrel for about 1 to 2 years, soaking up more of those rich, warm, earthy spices, right? So today, we're gonna make a margarita riff.
Okay.
So we got fresh lime juice. We're gonna do 3/4 of that fresh lime juice, okay? Always fresh lime juice. It's good between 4 to 10 hours, but if you keep it in the fridge, it'll stay a little longer.
Okay.
I made a vanilla simple. So that's just a 1-to-1. Do 1/4 of that. And a little bit of vanilla. You can use a vanilla paste or fresh vanilla bean. 1-to-1 means the ratio of water to sugar. Very easy to do in your house. Now you can use a curacao or a triple sec, but why just be basic, right? Here we're at the On God Art Hotel, right? So we got to go blue. We got 3/4 of that. So then I'm going to go ahead and do a Blanco tequila. This is going to be fresh and fruit forward. This one in particular is from the Highlands. So it's more fruity. More citrus notes are going to come through. And people, I want you to realize on this tequila day, that you got to branch out. Go for something different. So if, you're used to Patron, try something else. We're going 2 ounces of tequila. I don't like to skim it.
It's one of the things we love about you.
A little bit of ice. Shake it up.
Here comes the fun.
Whoa, it's so blue. We're just going to pour it right in. Whoa, look at that.
Let me tell you something, Meredith. Nothing that blue has ever made me this happy. You know what I'm saying? Thank you so much. Hey, we got to run, but happy National Tequila Day to you. That was fantastic. Keep doing what you're doing and stay safe, Meredith. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much.